all doing well. Before we get started, thank you so much for your patience. I was not feeling too well last week, so I couldn't create a tutorial, but I've been posting on shorts as much as I can. So I hope you've been catching those. Anyways, I am back feeling better than ever. So today I'm gonna show you how to create this easy, classic warm brown smoky eye look. I only use 2 eyeshadows. It's super simple. So let's get started. Start off by packing a medium brown shadow all over your mobile eyelids. If you have lighter skin than me, you can start off with a lighter brown and then move to the medium brown. Next, blend the same shadow in the crease. Next, pick up a deep brown shadow and start by packing this along your lash line and gradually move it upwards. Take your time and build up the intensity. Next, grab a clean blending brush and blend out the edges in the crease. Tap a smaller blending brush or a flat brush into the medium brown and a little bit into the deep brown and blend this along your lower lash line. Apply a deep brown pencil liner to your lower waterline. All the products I'm using are linked in the description box below, guys. Using a concealer or your foundation, clean up and brighten under the eyes. Do your liner in your preferred style. You can even use black eyeshadow on a small detail brush and apply it along your upper lash line to get a super sultry, smoky look. Some clear brow gel to tame the brows. Line your upper waterline with the same deep brown pencil. Curl your lashes. Apply some mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara, you guys. I know you see it in most of my tutorials and I've probably repurchased it at least 10 plus times. Little tip, if you have super straight lashes that won't hold a curl, try using a waterproof mascara, guys. They usually help keep your lashes curled a lot longer and are smudge proof, which is always great, especially if you live in humid weather. I think this looks absolutely amazing even with no lashes. It's such a quick look to do, but still looks like you put in a lot of effort. But I decided to amp up the drama and add some lashes. Another product recommendation, this is my favorite lash glue. It's by Hudabeauty. It gets tacky quite fast compared to other lash glues that I've tried, which is great if you don't have a lot of patience like me. Hudabeauty also has another lash glue. I believe it's called the Sticky Tack Lash Glue. That one isn't as great, guys. I don't recommend it. This one is called the Waterproof Lash Glue. And we're done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. I post new beginner-friendly tutorials every Wednesday, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!